Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today I've got the L'Oréal Infallible 24-hour lipstick. Let's put it to the test. The one side is a liquid lipstick and the other side is more like a balm. So I picked up the color 110 Timeless Rosé and I've got the color 701 Captivated by Cerise. So two very different colors, and I am going to start with the rose. Okay, so it is very liquidy. It glides on very smooth. It transfers really easy to the upper lip. This one has a little subtle sparkle in it. This one has to dry in before we can use that balm. Okay, it's getting very sticky right now on my lips. This is the balm side and that is also a little bit rosy. Normally it is just a transparent balm and then you've got this, but I don't know if it is transparent or... yeah, it is transparent. You can't see it on my hand, only the reflection. So this isn't dry yet. I can feel it a little bit on my lips. It's pulling a bit. Oh, shoot. That was probably not the best thing to do with the lipstick. So that balm really feels nice on the lips. It is a really nice color. I just feel very girly on this moment. But this is a color I would use on a daily basis because it is not in your face. It is just soft and romantic and it's good for everything. You know, you go out to a restaurant or you go to your work. Yeah, this can do everything. So this is a color I pretty much like. Let's get this one off and go with the red one. Let's get started with the Captivated Cerise in 701. And that is more a... there's no shimmer in it. So it is just pure matte red. Ooh, there's red. Ooh, hello. This one is nice and vibrant in color. I don't know if it's my color. I don't dislike it. It is a really loud color. So let's get it dry. Let it dry, let it dry, let it dry. And also this one has this similar color, a little bit orangey red. And in this one I can see a little shimmer. So the balm is really giving you that glossy feel. This color is really, really vibrant. And this color is really, really romantic, soft, and yeah, for every day. Yeah, okay, you can wear red every day and be loud if you like that. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. I like this color very much. So I'm going to put this lipstick to the test and going to check in twice, I think twice, because now it is 1:30 in the afternoon. So I'm going to lunch and I'm going to have my dinner, things like that. And then I'm going to check in how it's going and if it's still on my lip and how many times I had to put on that balm to have this really great feel on my lip, because without balm it is very dry and it really is, yeah, sucking the life out of my lip. So that is not what I want in a liquid lipstick. So if there is a balm with it, it's supposed to be there because you really need it, and there's nothing wrong with it. So just use it. The only thing is that the balm is gone earlier than the lipstick itself. So then we can switch to another balm or a lip gloss or anything. Sometimes with lip glosses the lipsticks are going to dissolve so they come off. Maybe that's a great test to do while I have it on. So just to see what it does with a lip gloss. Does it dissolve or does it stay? So that's my final test today. There is a test that I want to do right now, and that's the kiss test. So kissing my hand test. This is the hand that I put on balm. So my hand, my mouth. Okay, there's a little bit of transfer, as you can see. That's a shame. There are fine little red dots. Okay, it's going to be less and less and less. So it's gone now. So that were the few things that were, I think, loose. Okay, but after kissing, the balm is gone. So we have to apply the balm again. This is it for the first impression. Now I'm going to do the wear test, so I see you in a bit. Hi beauties, this is my first and last checkup. I totally forgot that I had to do a checkup this afternoon, but we are 7 hours in and I ate a rice, yeah, it is a sticky rice paper roll. So every bite that I took was sticking on my lips, but that lipstick is still there. I really like this. Okay, so I was counting the times that I was putting on my balm, and I think I came until 3 times, and after the 3rd time the balm was gone. I didn't feel the liquid lipstick anymore on my lips, so I thought that it was gone. But it's still here, but I don't feel it anymore, so I don't need that balm anymore, and that's something that's super great. So this one, I just want a lot of colors because there's no bleeding. It is still vibrant. I ate, I drank. This color is still vibrant. This is still a very nice balm, and I had it with me today, and it is pretty warm outside, but it didn't melt away, so that's a good thing. Color is still vibrant. The inner colors are almost gone, but there's no bleeding, and I really like that. So what I said is I'm going to apply it again, but I think it's just that good on my lips still, so I'm going to apply a lip gloss on top of it and just see if it's going to dissolve, yes or no. So I can't find my clear lip gloss, so I'm going to use a lip gloss from another brand. On the brush I can see little specks of red. It is coming off when I put lip gloss on. When I did that balm on, there were no specks. It didn't feel grainy. Yeah, now it's going to feel a little bit grainy on my lips. That is a shame. So I bet when I kiss my hand, there is going to be transfer on my hand. Let's try. There are all little red specks that are transferring. There is a light reddish, pinkish glow in it, but that's a shame. So I think the best thing you can do is use it with the balm that comes with it instead of putting on a lip gloss. Maybe another balm is okay, but not a lip gloss. If you want me to try out this product for a full week and use it with other balms just to see what works, so when this balm is out and you want to keep using it with a balm and which one is going to do the best, so let me know in the comments below and I will make a video about that. I am happy with this lipstick. I am happy with the balm on top of it, and after 3 times I don't have to balm it anymore and it feels great. The colors are vibrant and very romantic. There are a lot of colors. I thought there were 12 to 15 colors, so there is a very wide range of colors for everyone out there. There is a color that suits you, and yeah, I am very happy with these. This is the end of the first impression / review about the L'Oréal Infallible 24-hour lip stick. I hope you liked this review. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!